Welcome to the Term 4 Test Review Sheet Solution tutorial. Here I will be covering number 6. It says to rewrite the following quadratic function from vertex form into standard form. This is how the vertex form looks like, and now we want to bring it into standard form. To do that, we have to make sure we expand that exponent, then distribute. So let's keep this idea in mind as we do A. So we first of all have to expand the exponent. This should be equal to 2, remains the same. The exponent now gets expanded, so it's x minus 2 times x minus 2, because it is squared, plus 5. Now we always want to get rid of the parentheses, the rule of PEMDAS. So I'm going to put a bracket around here just to stay organized. Now I'm going to FOIL the stuff that is in the inside. So I'm now going to distribute x times x gets you x squared. X times negative 2 gets you negative 2x. Negative 2 times x gets you negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 2 gets you a positive 4. That was what was in that red bracket. So I put the red bracket again, and I bring down everything. I do this so I can just stay organized. Notice this is easier because now inside that red bracket, it is simple. I can either add the like terms on the inside, but I decided to just distribute that 2 each into the inside. So 2 times x squared gets you 2x squared. 2 times negative 2x gets you negative 4x. 2 times negative 2x gets you negative 4x. And 2 times 4 here gets you a plus 8. Bring down the plus 5. There are some like terms that you can add together. Nothing happens to the 2x squared. The negative 4x and the minus 4x here gets you a negative 8x. 8 plus 5 here will get you a 13. There you go. We are going to be repeating this idea of just to expand the exponent, then distribute. Let's do it here. This is going to be equal to negative x plus 5 is in the first parentheses, and another x plus 5 in the second parentheses, minus 4. I put the red bracket here to help us stay organized, and now I'm going to distribute. X times x will get you an x squared. X times 5 will get you a 5x. The 5 times x here will get you 5x, and the 5 times 5 here will get you 25. Put the red bracket here. Bring down everything. The negative 3 is out in front, and the negative 4 is in the tail. Now we can just distribute. So this gets you a negative 3x squared. The negative 3 times positive 5x get you negative 15x. Negative 3 times 5x gets you negative 15x. Negative 3 times 25 gets you negative 75. Then bring down that negative 4 out in front. Now you can combine some like terms. Nothing happens to the negative 3x, so it's just negative 3x squared. These two can combine to get you negative 30x. Negative 15 and negative 15 get you negative 30x. Negative 75 and negative 4 get you negative 79. Let's do the last one. We are going to, again, expand the exponent and then distribute. The first step here is to expand the exponent. So it's going to be 1/2 x times 3 is in the parentheses, x plus 3 in the first parentheses, then another x plus 3, then you add 4. Now we put this in the red bracket so we can stay organized, and now we're going to distribute. X times x will get you x squared. X times 3 will get you 3x. 3 times x here will get you 3x. And 3 times 3 here will get you 9. Put this in the red parentheses. Then we have a 1/2 in front. Then we have a plus 4 here. Now we can just distribute here. But before we do that, this time we add the stuff on the inside. So that 1/2 stays here, the red bracket. Now we're going to combine some like terms. X squared remains the same. 3x plus 3x will get you 6x. Nothing happens to the 9, the red bracket, and plus 4, bring it down. All we're doing here is combining the like terms that is inside the parentheses. Now I'm going to distribute. So the 1/2 times x squared gets you a 1/2 x squared. The 1/2 times the 6x will get you 6 divided by 2, or you can just write just 3x. Then you have a 1/2 times 9, which is 9 over 2. Then you have a plus 4. There are some like terms you can add. Nothing happens to the 1/2 x squared. Nothing happens to 3x. You can now do the 9 divided by 2 plus 4. But to do this, you can just use Desmos if you would like. I'm going to use the scientific calculator. I'm going to put in 9 divided by 2, and I'm going to add 4. It becomes 8.5, but I could hit convert to a fraction. It is 17.17 over 2. So this is plus 17 over 2. There you go. That is how you convert all the quadratic functions from vertex form into standard form.